Tubing was really fun today.
Yeah, I'm starving. Let's get some fruit.
Hey, guys. Can we even walk here?
Bro, we're inside. We're nowhere near the ropes course. Come on.
Alright.
Hey! Don't walk on the ropes course!
I think those that we trust the most are hiding something. I think we need to start asking some more questions to discover their true intentions.
Aiden, why didn't you just sanitize?
I have a confession. I don't actually sanitize before I appetize.
E-Man.
Yeah! Hmm?
What are you doing?
I have a confession to make. I'm not an E-man. I'm an E-boy.
I actually don't work here.
Nikki, you'll save me if I start drowning, right?
Yeah, sure thing. I don't actually know how to swim.
I mean, to be honest, I don't take morning meds. Welcome back to MTC News. Here we're looking at Stacy's shower.
So much water, and yet none in Stacy.
At last, my love has come along.
Wait, are we not supposed to be here? It's the ropes course. What's the worst that could happen? A medieval weapon falls out of the sky? Oh my god. Yikes, maybe we shouldn't go through the ropes course.
Hey, why'd you cut the line? You can't do that.
Oh, it's a funny world. You see, that's the thing. I bought the store.
Yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances.
You know where our friend Nathan is? We've been looking for him for 2 days.
Have you checked the lost and founds?
Oh.
We probably should have done that.
Thank you, Mal.
Thank you.
And I'm coming for you.
And have her.
Well, activity week is it?
I just want to make sure I'm understanding.
Girl, you play me, did me so shady. Got me in my feelings, I can't trust lately. You so lame, took me as a game. Say guys are
God, today was actually so amazing, guys. The water. Listen, it's your final warning. I've been hearing things going on these past 2 nights. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna find out. Okay? It was not us. Like it literally just was not us. What do you say? Lights out in 3, 2.
What's going on?
Family dinner.